speed a little bit now. Mid-20s. We get to the headland here, we can't go any further. You can go up a path and all the way around, but we're not doing that today. We end up in Sandy Bay, Budley Salterton, all the way up to Weymouth eventually, all the way along the south coast. Now we'll just park here for 10. Now we're coming up to the beach. Quite a nice beach in Exmouth. But you do get some dodgy currents and tides going here on the path. Yeah, but all the sea along here is basically, you've got to be really careful. You've got a lot of currents going on down there, sandbanks.
I can't really remember, I think it's a week.
I think you can see the remnants of some of the storm we had a week or so ago. I imagine they would have had the defence barriers down. They have got water defence barriers, which you'll probably see in a second, which slide across the road. Angry dog.
If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications when I make a new one.